Hey guys, what's up? Slice here, and today I'm playing some Skywars with my friend Abo127 or Ab0127. So let's ask them if they're ready. Are you ready? I mean, I just typed ready, but still, are you ready? Oh yeah, and you guys might have noticed that I did change my skin. I created this myself. It's horrible, but I'm definitely going to make some changes to it in the future. So let's go. And I got really excited about this when I first heard about it. In the new laboratory mode, they added slime, which brings back one of those classic Minecraft Skywars items on Hypixel. The slime ball. Yes, I haven't gotten it yet because I take way too long to get to mid, but the slime ball, it's worth it to get the slime ball. Oh, hey, my cage. Yay. Oh, okay. Let's get this. And, okay, nice. I shouldn't really be excited about being in the cage. Wait, what? What just happened? Oh, I was lagging. And somebody probably came over to my audience. That's probably what happened. And I also did hear that you have double jump in this too. And I actually really like the idea of having double jump. That actually sounds really cool. Hey, wait, where is he? There he is. Okay, I'll take this chest. And, ooh, nice. Okay, and then there's another chest down here, I'm pretty sure. Yep. And I'll take this bow. And you can have that other stuff. All that other stuff is yours. Let's get a jump potion. There we go. And, oh no, what? Oh, my double jump, no! Well, he got me. Okay, let's try this again and try not to die. This time my strategy will be just getting one chest. And then after I get just one chest, I'm going to try and rush some other teams. That's what I'm going to try to do. Oh, hey, and I really like this map. Yeah, we got this. Okay. Oh, whoa, okay, I fell through. Sweet. Okay, let's get this one chest, which is actually really good. In my opinion, at least. Hello. Hey, 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 no, no, no. Help. Please. Help. No, he had a slime ball. No. Slime launcher. No. Oh, man. Okay, let's try this again. I mean, I at least got one kill the last round. Ooh, and I really like this map too, because I really like the maps that are easy to cross. Those are the maps that I really like. And I'm going to go for that chest. Nice. Ooh, this is actually some pretty nice stuff. I'm gonna take this potion and let's go. Goodbye. And thank you for the stuff. Actually, wait, is there an anvil somewhere around here? Because I could probably make this a sharpness 2. Make one of a sharpness 2 stone sword. Except I don't think there are any anvils in this map. Oh no, wait, I'm coming to help you. Oh wait, did you get him? Ah, no, get off. No, wait, don't get off. You have the slime ball. You have the slime ball. No! Yes! No, I need the slime ball. Where is he? Anji, he's up there. What? Let's go. What? Okay. Yes, okay. That launch pad saved my life. Let's go. Come on, get him. Yes. Yes. Helmet. Slime ball. Yes, I have the slime ball. I have the ultimate slime ball. Yes. I feel powerful. Hey, no. I don't like these slimes. Boom. Yes, I love the slime ball. Goodbye. Yep. Goodbye. Yes, the slime ball is amazing. This is my first time ever using the slime ball after it got removed from the game. Yes. Slimeball is back. And I love it. Yes. Come on, I want to use a slime ball on you. Ow. Don't shoot me. You can't ask that. Yes, I got him off of the rocket at least. And now I'm coming for him. And he's trying to escape. But that didn't work out so well for him. Oh no, give me my slime ball back. Goodbye. Yay. GG. Yes, I love the slime ball. Yes. I finally have the slime ball. Yes. Okay. I have to do this again. Like, there's no doubt I need to do this again. This is definitely my favorite game mode. I love this game mode. It's been so long since this slime ball has been here. Yes. It's much better than just using a fishing rod. Let's get this chest, which actually has some pretty nice stuff again. And some pretty nice armor. And now we rush these guys. No! That was a fail. Well, I guess now we're going to spectate him. I can't tell if I'm echoing or not. I may be not. Wait, what? I may not be. Aww. Goodbye. Okay, let's go again. It's weird how, like, it says don't spam the command when I literally only press it once. Okay, nice. Regular Skywars? Okay, we'll do regular Skywars after this. I just really love this game mode. Sorry. After. Okay. And, oh, whoa. We had the same idea. Hey, no, I'm trying to kill you here. No, it didn't work. No! Well, we're gonna do regular Skywars next. Seems like. Okay, let's go. And regular Skywars, I'm coming for you. Here we go. Let's do Teams Insane. Ooh, map selector. Okay, where's the good railroad? Railroad. What? What did I even say there? Railroad. Hello. Hi. It doesn't seem like many people want to do railroad here. I don't know why I can't say railroad. Okay, it just sounds so weird when I say it. And it doesn't look like anybody wants to play it, except for like 5 people. I was gonna say only 5 people want to play it, but it is clear that more people want to play it now. Okay, let's do this. Come on. Ooh. Aw. It's kind of fun when it lags. Ooh, wait, I wanna pick this kit. I can't talk at all. I Talgador. OMG. No. He's here. He's gonna use his hacks on us. No. He doesn't hack. Hey, where's my sword? There it is. Ooh, a fishing rod. Oh. I have no idea how to use it, but I will use it. And I'm going to wait to enchant my pants. Oh, hello. Goodbye. Come on, you can kill one of them at least. Get one of them. No. Okay, let's just do a random map this time. Hopefully a random map will give us a really good map. What map is this? Oh, I know what map this is. I forgot. Okay, yeah, I know what map this is. Never mind. Okay. Whoa, Jesus, taking... Yay. Good luck. And have... No, good luck. Have fun. No! It took too long for me to say it. Come on with that. Okay. And... Yes, a sharpness sword. This will help. The sharpness sword will prevail. Okay. And nice. So I almost have full diamond. I forgot. I almost tried double jumping over there. And then I was like, oh, wait a second. You can't double jump in here. Hello. Goodbye. I don't really feel that safe down here. Strength potion. Wait. And a sharpness one sword. Yes. Come on. Enchant. And sharpness 2. Yes, sharpness 2. No, I had a sharpness 2 sword. How much health did he have? I got him down to 1. I got him down to half a heart, I'm pretty sure. I know 1 means 1 heart. But I'm pretty sure I got him down to half a heart. Because I'm pretty sure his head said 0. Oh. I kind of wish I was lagging now so I could explore the map. Like, why can't I talk? First place. That's my channel. Okay. Let's just try a different map and see if it will work. If I could just hit that guy one more time, I probably would have won that battle. Or we probably could have just tied and somehow, like, he would, like, hit me at the same exact time. Okay, nice. Here we go. This is much faster. Not the countdown, though. The countdown is slower. Okay. And... nice. Put that there. And... take all of this. I already had a diamond helmet. No, I can't see. Ooh, I want that sword. And there's a diamond helmet for you. Hey, no. Kill him, come on. What? Okay, let's try this again. I'm going to try the same... No, I'm not going to do the same strategy. You don't see that. Trash. that wasn't there. Oh, yeah. Oops. Good luck and have fun. Okay. Here we go. No, that's my chest down there. That chest is mine. No, I said that was my chest. And this is also my chest. Thank you. Except that's your helmet. Please take the helmet. We have speed. Thank you. There's a helmet for you. I'll put it right there on the exit. What? How? How did he hit me from that? Okay. Where is he? I'm going to follow you. And he's still down there. Above you. There's a little boy a guy about to cross. Attack. No, wait. Oops. Oops, no. Above you. Wait, what? He didn't build a cross? What? You know there's a guy under here, right? What are you doing? What? Is he like building a trap or something? I have no idea. Hello. Oh. I spelled it right. What? No, I can't spell it all. I'm gonna block you out. Did you realize that you just threw a potion instead of an arrow? OMG. He's coming. He's coming for you. He's coming for you right now. I hope this trap works. I really hope this trap works. Okay, you better go down. You better go down. Come on, go down. Except he's probably not gonna fall for it because that trap is kind of obvious. Wait, what? He didn't fall for it? Both of them fell for it? I mean, they both fell for it. What? What? They both fell for it. Both of them. What? Okay. I am really curious how that happened. Literally, both of them fell for it. What? Okay. Sure. Okay. That is... How... What? Okay, where are the other guys? So, nobody has a team. So, there's 0 teams left. No, there's no teams left. Look, it's I, G, and L. None of them have any partners. Ooh, hey. Wonder what... What? Did I just move that sword? I'm moving the sword. What? I want to move it. I want to move this sword. And these boots. Aw. Well, at least I can move this sword. Okay. I'm watching you. He's using TNT to cross? What? That is... I haven't seen that before. Okay. Well, I mean, except for the TNT game. Please don't just sit there. It's boring to watch for the viewers. I mean, you guys might like really enjoy just watching them here, but I'm pretty sure not a ton of you do. And nobody is coming. Nobody at all. Seriously? I'm gonna get my speed and try to find somebody. Hey, I spotted somebody. Over here? Yes. Please let me cross. I can't get to him. What? I can't see what he has. Why did you have to block yourself in? You can't even escape. Oh, come on. Okay, let's try breaking this. And then go through. What? Okay, let's try breaking this now. Come on. And, here, let me see. Mid. He's at mid. That's where he is. Nope. Islands. He's at islands. Island. Mid. He's at mid. Come on, go. He's at mid. Where is he? I need to find where he is. No. You better not step on your own trap. No! He stepped on his own trap! What? Okay. Well, that's one way to die. Okay. That was just really unexpected. Let's try this again now. And this time I'll try not to die. Like I've said a million times already. Come on. And we need to move that to there. Ooh, a diamond sword. Nice. Okay, and there's another chest. No, I can't right click. What? No. I could have gotten that bow. What? Now I can right click. What? I couldn't right click. I want your stuff over there. Seriously, everybody's targeting us now. There's lava there. Got her. The creeper just... Hey you. I want your bow. What? How? What? They took all of my armor too. And he died too. Okay, let's go. Wait, what? I just realized this is like a built sheep. Somebody built a sheep. I'm pretty sure the sheep was already part of the map though. Okay. Let's go. Come on. After. We'll do murder mystery after. After a couple more rounds. Aw, man, he stole my chest. Let's take this stuff. No, I want this chest. Ooh, lava. Okay. I'm gonna splash myself with this. Okay. So, not sure if it's safe to cross. One block. One block. I'm coming for you. No! Okay, we'll do 2 more rounds. We're gonna do 2 more rounds and then we'll end in the video. 2 rounds, then ending vid. So we're gonna do 2 more rounds and we're ending the vid. I probably should say 2 more rounds. Then we're going to end the vid. Okay. Let's take this. Ooh. I'll take the fishing rod too, I guess. Okay. Let's go up. Okay. So. Hello. No, no. Really, creeper? Okay. What? No. Yes, I got him. Okay, drink this. And boom. Okay. So, what did he have? Oh, hey. Well, that was a double kill, I guess. GG. What? Okay. So we're going to do 1 more round, and then we're going to end the video. Okay, here we go. We got this. This is the round that we will win. Okay. We got this. Okay, I'm taking that chest, by the way. That's what I was planning on doing. Okay, I'll take this, this, and this. Okay, and now we can splash some experience, and then get a sharpness 2. Come on. Yeah, sharpness 2. Okay, sweet. And I'm gonna put that there, yeah. Okay. Sweet. Come on. Yep. Made it. What? Attack! Attack him! Attack! Come on. Attack. Don't just sit there. No! Okay. Well, time to end the video. This video will probably be uploaded Tuesday. Time to end. Okay. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you haven't yet, you guys can click right over here to subscribe to my channel. And then you can click right over here to watch a video that YouTube thinks you'll like. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!